So I worked in restaurants for some time before coming into manufacturing, and I really enjoyed working in restaurants because I enjoyed working with people. But one of the things that I didn't really like was my work-life balance. I was working a lot of nights and weekends and early mornings. And I have a 14-year-old daughter, and at that time, I was looking to have more time with her. And I had a friend working at a local manufacturing called Clark Dietrich, and he told me that they didn't work weekends, and that was just kind of a godsend to me at the time. So I applied for the job. It was a good wage. It helped me, kind of get started in my career. And as I was working here, I realized that I actually really enjoyed manufacturing. I loved working with my hands. I loved learning about the machines, and I loved learning new things. And that was really the biggest thing to me when I first started, is that I was able to learn new things.